Welcome to our journey through the incredible world of numbers. From the moment we could first count on our fingers and toes, humans have been obsessed with quantifying the universe. Numbers help us understand everything from the smallest subatomic particles to the largest structures in the cosmos. Today, we'll explore some of the most fascinating numbers known to humanity, delving into their history, their significance, and the mind-boggling concepts they represent. Let's start with a number that represents nothing at all: 0. 0 is a unique number, often misunderstood and sometimes even feared. It stands at the very heart of mathematics, yet it signifies the concept of nothingness. How can something that means nothing be so crucial? It seems so simple now, but the concept of 0 as a placeholder and a mathematical entity was a revolutionary idea. In ancient times, civilizations struggled with the idea of representing nothing. Early numerical systems had no symbol for 0, making calculations cumbersome and complex. Imagine trying to do math without it. Without 0, there would be no way to distinguish between numbers like 10 and 100. The absence of 0 would make arithmetic, algebra, and even basic counting incredibly difficult. The ancient Babylonians were among the first to use a symbol for 0. They used a placeholder in their cuneiform writing to indicate the absence of a digit in a particular place value. This was a significant step forward, but their 0 was not a true number. But it was the Indian mathematicians who truly embraced its power, developing the decimal system we use today. In the 5th century, Indian scholars like Aryabhata and Brahmagupta began to use 0 as a number in its own right. They recognized that 0 could be used in calculations, and they developed rules for arithmetic operations involving 0. 0 isn't just the absence of something, it's a powerful tool that allows us to build entire systems of mathematics. In modern times, 0 is fundamental to calculus, computer science, and engineering. It enables us to solve equations, model real-world phenomena, and create digital technologies. 0 is not just a number, it's a concept that has transformed the way we understand and interact with the world. Now let's jump to 100, a number that feels familiar and manageable. We use it for percentages, marking a whole out of 100 parts. Think about how often we encounter percentages in our daily lives, from weather forecasts to sale prices. A century, representing 100 years, is another way we mark the passage of time using this number. 100 serves as a benchmark, a way to measure progress and change over time. 1000, a number we encounter frequently in our daily lives. We buy groceries in grams, often dealing with amounts in the hundreds or thousands. We measure distances in meters or kilometers, again encountering thousands. But 1,000 also takes us to the realm of large-scale data. Think about populations of cities or the number of stars in a galaxy. Suddenly 1,000 doesn't seem so large anymore, does it? Chapter 4. 1 lakh, a cultural number. Let's travel to South Asia, where a lakh, representing 100,000, plays a significant role in their numbering system. Salaries, property values, and even wedding expenses are often expressed in lakhs. This number reflects cultural differences in how we perceive and quantify the world around us. It's a reminder that mathematics is not just a universal language, it's also deeply intertwined with culture. Chapter 5. 1 million, finance, population, and beyond. Now we're talking big numbers. 1 million. This number, often seen as a milestone, represents a significant threshold in various aspects of our lives. We hear about millions in the context of finance, with millionaires and billionaires becoming cultural icons. The financial world revolves around these figures, with stock markets, investments, and wealth accumulation often measured in millions. Population counts of major cities often reach into the millions, highlighting the sheer scale of human civilization. Cities like New York, Tokyo, and Mumbai are home to millions of people, each contributing to the vibrant tapestry of urban life. But 1 million is also a reminder of the vastness of the universe. When we look up at the night sky, we see just a fraction of the cosmos, with each star representing a potential system of planets and possibly life. Our galaxy alone contains billions upon billions of stars, dwarfing even a number as large as 1 million. The Milky Way, with its countless stars, planets, and celestial bodies, serves as a humbling reminder of our place in the universe. As we explore the concept of 1 million, we realize it's not just a number, it's a gateway to understanding the scale of our world and beyond. From the bustling streets of our cities to the far reaches of the galaxy, A million connects us to the vastness of existence. Whether in finance, population, or the cosmos, the number 1 million serves as a bridge, linking the tangible and the infinite. It's a testament to human achievement, the complexity of life, and the boundless wonders of the universe. So, as we continue to explore and understand our world, let's remember the significance of 1 million. It's more than just a number, it's a symbol of growth, discovery, and the endless possibilities that lie ahead. Chapter 6: 1 Billion Economics and Global Statistics. Hold on to your hats as we venture into the realm of billions. National economies are measured in billions, even trillions of dollars, illustrating the flow of wealth on a global scale. We talk about global population in billions, a stark reminder of the impact humanity has on the planet. But even a billion pales in comparison to the number of galaxies in the observable universe, estimated to be in the trillions. Chapter 7. 1 trillion, a number so large it's hard to even fathom. National debts, those staggering sums of money owed by governments, are often measured in trillions. Astronomical distances measured in light years also reach into the trillions. For example, the Andromeda Galaxy, our closest galactic neighbor, is about 2.5 million light-years away. That's trillions upon trillions of kilometers. Chapter 8. 1 quadrillion, theoretical applications and the limits of imagination. Now we're entering the realm of the truly mind-boggling 1 quadrillion. It's a number rarely used in everyday life but has theoretical applications in science and mathematics. Imagine trying to count to a quadrillion. It would take you billions of years. This number pushes the limits of our imagination, forcing us to grapple with concepts of scale and magnitude that defy easy comprehension. Chapter 9. Google, a number beyond comprehension. Prepare to have your mind blown. Today we dive into the world of unimaginably large numbers, starting with the Google. A Google is a 1 followed by 100 zeros, a number so large it's practically meaningless in any practical sense. Imagine trying to write it out. You'd need more paper than you could ever find. The term was coined by a mathematician's 9-year-old nephew, Milton Serrata, in 1938. It serves as a playful reminder of the infinite nature of numbers and the boundless curiosity of young minds. You couldn't even write out all the zeros in a Google if you tried. It would take more atoms than exist in the observable universe. To put it in perspective, the observable universe contains roughly 10 circumflex 80 atoms. A Google is 10 circumflex 100, far surpassing the number of atoms in the cosmos. The concept of a Google was introduced to help illustrate the difference between an unimaginably large number and infinity. While a Google is vast, it is still finite, unlike infinity, which has no end. In classrooms around the world, the Google is often used to spark interest in mathematics and to show students just how fascinating and expansive the world of numbers can be. In the digital age, understanding large numbers like a Google can also help us grasp the scale of data and information we deal with daily. From the number of web pages on the internet to the amount of data generated every second, large numbers are more relevant than ever. So next time you hear the term Google, remember it's not just a fun word. It's a gateway to understanding the vastness of our universe and the incredible potential of human knowledge. The Google reminds us that while we may never fully grasp the infinite, we can still marvel at the extraordinary and push the boundaries of our understanding. Chapter 10. The God number solving the Rubik's Cube. Let's bring things back down to earth, or at least to the realm of puzzles, with the God number. This number, 20, represents the maximum number of moves it takes to solve a Rubik's Cube from any starting position. Mathematicians and computer scientists spent years calculating this number, highlighting the complex algorithms at play in even seemingly simple puzzles. Outro. Keep exploring the world of numbers. Thanks for joining us on this numerical adventure. We've journeyed from the essential zero to the mind-boggling Google, exploring the fascinating ways numbers shape our understanding of the world. From the smallest units of measurement to the vastness of the cosmos, numbers help us make sense of it all. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the world of numbers. See you next time.